Hello. Yes, I have not fallen off the planet and forgotten you all. I thought a bit of an update would be good for the Media Workbench channel, as obviously it's been a little bit of time since I posted something. Juggling full-time parenting and full-time working from home makes free time to make videos near impossible. But fortunately for you all, this is just a season of life, and soon I'll be much more available to make videos more quickly for this channel. Anyway, I currently have some bigger videos in the works, but creating them is taking forever. So in the interim, I'll be putting out some quick videos continuing to cover off some of the basics of programming, looking at conditionals. Now, traditionally this video series hasn't had the biggest viewership, but for those who have commented that my other videos have led them to start trying out expressions in After Effects, these fundamentals will equip you to continue in that. External to putting out more videos, you may have noticed there is a new Media Workbench website, which is super exciting. Every tutorial goes up there with all the expressions used, with references and an easy way to copy and paste if you're into that. Plus there's answers to a lot of the common questions people have for each video. There's also some merchandise there, and you can also download a lot of the project files for my tutorials by supporting me via Patreon. Speaking of which, I want to give a massive shout out to those people who have indeed supported me on Patreon at various times during my hiatus, and especially those who are actively continuing to do so. You all, along with those who continue to post comments on my videos, have been a real encouragement that there is a community that loves the content I produce, who benefit and grow from it, and you are a constant reminder that there are people who want me to make more videos. So thank you, and I look forward to making more videos for you all. Keep an eye out for that first conditionals video that'll be coming out shortly, and until next time, my name is Bench. Thanks for watching.